How to use your rights during police interrogation. Imagine being pulled aside by the police and feeling unsure of what to say or do. Knowing your rights can make a big difference in protecting yourself. When police want to question you, it is your legal right to stay in control. First, you have the right to remain silent. This means you do not have to answer any questions that might make you look guilty. To exercise this right properly, clearly say, "I am invoking my right to remain silent." Simply staying silent without saying this might not stop the questioning. Once you state this, police must stop asking questions until your lawyer is present. Second, you have the right to speak with a lawyer before and during questioning. If you ask for a lawyer, police must pause their questions until your attorney arrives. If you cannot afford a lawyer, the government will appoint one for you. It is a mistake to keep answering questions without a lawyer present. Anything you say can be used against you in court, even if you think you are innocent. Third, police are required to tell you about your rights through the Miranda warning. This warning explains that you can remain silent, that anything you say can be used in court, and that you have the right to a lawyer. If police do not give you this warning, your statements might not be used in court. But remember, not giving the warning does not mean you are automatically free from charges. It just means your statements might be less useful for the prosecution. Avoid common mistakes like talking to police without for saying you want to remain silent and asking for a lawyer. Do not think that staying silent without saying anything will stop the questions. Always clearly state your rights. Do not answer questions before your lawyer is there, because anything you say can be used against you. Stay calm and polite, and remember that you do not have to argue or get emotional. If you are arrested or taken for questioning, calmly say, "I am invoking my right to remain silent and I want an attorney." Then, do not answer any more questions until your lawyer arrives. This simple step helps protect your rights and prevents you from making statements that could hurt your case. Understanding these rights and using them properly can make a big difference in how your case unfolds.